Good afternoon. Arey yaar. Lovely people. So it's 27th of November. How many days to expiry we have? We have 33 days to expiry. Okay, chalo, let's take a look at deltas quickly and see if we can book profits in some positions. I don't think these need adjustment right now. The Nifty is in up move. I think it's at an all-time high as well. Yeah, and this is nice. This has moved down a bit. तो इसमें थोड़ा yeah, let's be negative में गया लेकिन ये overall profitable हो गया. This is nice. चलो एक एक करके देखते हैं. और I'm sorry मेरी videos upload नहीं हुई हैं. 22nd November से I think so. I'll get started on that starting today. क्योंकि the reason is that you can see these questions while I rent. So the reason is that when I edit videos the next day and I upload them, it's easier for me. And now I don't remember what I've said. मैंने क्या बोला उन videos में तो अब I really don't remember what I have to edit out. Right? Usually when I do things, I know कि अरे I made an error. An error means that I need to edit something which is like information which I don't want to share. Like I go through this. This is my personal web browser, so sometimes it happens that I have something over here typed which I don't want to share, so I need to edit that part out. Or there is someone coming in and I need to edit that part out. I have to edit gaps in videos where someone walks in and I have to pause the video. So that happens. Or my cat jumps on the laptop and there is a video recording has stopped, something like that. Now when the videos have backlog of 5 days, I don't remember what happened 5 days ago, so I have to watch the entire video and that takes time. That's all. Okay. Now that I've rented so much, there are times when I have to edit the rent out. Yeah, now just what just happened right now, I accidentally stopped the recording. Okay. So this is what I was doing. Nifty first position. Let's take a look. Prime Thursday है ना, तो आज तो expiry trade भी होगा. Let's see if I can do something. Okay, so Nifty is pretty fine for now. We're not gonna do anything. 12,334. Profit is not reached. Let's go to Coal India. We are over at 2497. Okay, this is little. अच्छा आज expiry है. Some kind of. So look at the changes. This is wide open for movement. Overall, it's very restricted picture. Yes, it's fine. Greeks are balanced, so I'm gonna let it be. Profit has not reached. Let's just take a look at profit targets as well, right? Because we have made quite a lot of adjustment to positions at this point. Almost all of the left ones. Yeah, so let's take a look at Coal India. So our initial target profit is 3206, which I have not reached. So I will just stick to that. We still have like pretty 11 years something. This one is balanced. Overall 2688. What was our profit target on this one? 3656. We'll wait. Okay. This has gone down, which it has been doing for a while. And see, I have told you by looking at open interest rate, it seems bearish. So that's what it's doing. But I will also say that I'm not going to be always right. Okay. I'm just interpreting the things that I see the way I have understood over the lifespan of my experience doing this and also studying for being able to do this. So this is what I'm interpreting. So it seems like this is support developing here, but it's 50,000. Okay, let's compare it to overall picture. Now it is 10 lakhs, so that support was insignificant, but it's developing at the same support point, so it's significant that way. Plus, there is significant support over here, so this means that it is not actually going down, just normal activity. It might jump back. That's not a given. Okay, that's not really true. This might be everything. Okay, let it be. But there's plenty of resistance over here. That's very apparent to us. Okay, and let's take a change and look in OI. Then it also apparent that there is a change in resistance over here. Okay. So that's that. So overall picture seems a little bearish still. Minor support here, but still significant compared to change in open interest. Yeah, look at over here. So there's still activity going on at that strike, which is very reassuring to me that it's that it's comfortable being here right now. That's all. Arey yaar. Accidentally clicked my desktop and there were personal files, so I have to edit that out. So that is what takes time. Take it, chalo. So this one I'm not going to do anything. I can bring this strike down and increase my decay. Uh, but to do that, I'll just need to check something. Like this is around when I'll take this trade off. Okay. Actually, I'll just do this. Oh, what is going on? Cats are fighting. Again, prime example of things I have to edit out. Okay, if we do this, if we reduce it to, sorry, let's just do this. So this is two standard deviation right over here. Okay, and if we move, yeah, so let's move over here, over here, over here, over here. ठीक है वो उतना ही दूर होता जाएगा और मुझे दूर ही चाहिए. So even if we have to move to 18 dt, standard deviation needs to be right around here. Okay, and 1st is over here. So 2 standard seems to be right around here. Let me just check one thing. This will become 1st. Okay. Um, I have a brain. I have a brain fart moment. मेरा दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा है. अगर मैं दूर की DT पे जा रहा हूँ तो wild swings बढ़ेंगी है ना. Probability of this happening has increased. This is why the one standard deviation move will go further apart. This means this is what I have to use. So if I go to like complete expiry, this is the 2st move. So this means that this is where I can shift my strike at. This is 546. Take it. Yeah, so 546 is where I can move my strike. Let's take a look at OI over here. क्या चल रहा है इन दोनों का? They are fighting for no reason. Obviously, if there was a reason for kids to do anything, right? So I can do actually move my strike over here. Let's see what kind of money will I get. Just a tiny bit. Oh yeah. And for my actual GT, right around like 20, 21. 22. Let's take like 20. So I can move up until here, right? Okay. So what happens is 1.2 and 1.9, right? And right now the deltas are 0.15 and 0.03. So it's fairly fine to me. This one is like almost way over that. Yeah, see, this one is right now in liquid kind of. Okay, so it makes sense to move it a little bit, little bit. But yeah, this is also fine to me. I'm just a little worried about whipsaw effect because this has already gone a lot of. Concord has just had one adjustment. I thought it had 4 or 5 adjustments. This is interesting. Either I was in the train yesterday and I saw a lot of containers of Concord and I immediately recognized it. So, trading in all of these things kind of makes me aware of uh, things around me, the businesses that are going on. It's interesting. I've got an interest in business these days. So, I can move it a tiny bit, but then it just doesn't feel like I want to. So I will not. So I'll move on. It's DSC Life. ठीक है उस पे काम करते हैं 6 6 12 9 the profit target has not reached. Okay, I thought it would have. STSC Life. Let's take a look. One adjustment made. Initial was 6407, right? So it's kind of reaching. I think in the afternoon I should be able to take this off. So we are at 6407. So it's not there, and it's pretty balanced. This is a monstrosity. अब उसका सी ही जाने लगा नेगेटिव में है ना क्योंकि ये ऊपर मूव कर गया है. See, this is kind of like whipsawing at this point. It's not really, but if it moves a little bit up, then then this strike will get into ITM, and then the reason would be that I moved this down. Right? This is what we have been doing till now. See, 560 से 490 पे ले आए और अभी ऊपर जाने लग गया. So this happens. This is fine for now, so I'm not going to do anything to it. The only thing I need to check I can't deal with these cats at the moment. Can't you just to be like quiet? Huh? I mean, there's a size difference between the two cats. I mean, one of them is mine, one of them is not mine. So they kind of like have a weird fighting kind of stuff going on sometimes, and that worries me. I'm not sure if they are being friendly or not. So that's why. Total pain is okay. I'm not going to do anything to it right now. When fee has moved up, deltas are getting skewed. 1980. Where is mine fee? So वही है कि अब इस पॉइंट पे हम कितना बैलेंस करके रख पाएंगे, क्योंकि अब जाके चीज़ें खराब होनी शुरू हो सकती हैं। द रीज़न इज कि सिंपली ना अब गामा इफेक्ट बढ़ने लगेगा। उस दिन बात हुई थी हमारी। सो गामा इफेक्ट बढ़ेगा तो डेल्टा स्की होगा तो फिर प्राइसेस शिफ्ट होंगी ज़्यादा आसानी से, हल्के से मूव पे। पहले नहीं होता इतना, है ना। सो इसीलिए देखते हैं। ये ठीक है। इसका टारगेट क्या था? So target was 4485. Not raised, and it's kind of giving me vibes कि नीचे जाएगा तो ठीक है चलो। 4 5 ये हो गया हिट। नाइस। So I'll take this off. Nestle India. Nestle. This is the first time I've tested traded in Nestle. और कितने 4525 रुपीज हो गए। और अगर 4525 रुपीज का प्रॉफिट, इसकी इसकी मैं शॉर्ट बनाने वाला हूँ। इसका मैं आज ही शॉर्ट बनाऊंगा, ठीक है। ये मस्त बात होने वाली है। 4525 रुपीज देखो भाई बहनों। सॉरी। सो आई हैव रीच्ड लाइक अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 4700 इन नेस्ले, ठीक है। 4700। लेट मी ब्रिंग अप माय कैलकुलेटर। सो वी हैव रीच्ड अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 4700 व्हिच आई एम गोइंग टू बुक राइट नाउ, ठीक है। सो 4700 डिवाइडेड बाय एक मैगी का पैकेट कितने का आता है? लेट्स जस्ट रिमूव टैक्सेस एंड स्टफ। सो 70% मेरे पास बचेगा इनटू 0.7। दिस इज माय एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्सेस एंड एवरीथिंग, ठीक है। ठीक है, डिवाइडेड बाय what is the price of one Maggi packet? It's 20 rupees, I think, right? Let's just take 20. So 20 rupees, ठीक है। I can buy these many Maggi के packets from this trade. इससे ज्यादा क्या चाहिए तुम्हें जिंदगी में ट्रेडिंग से? क्या चाहिए तुम्हें ट्रेडिंग से इससे ज्यादा जिंदगी में? If you can buy Maggi के पैकेट्स, what else do you want? हो गया ना भाई, हो गया मेरा नेस्ले का। What else do you need in life from a trade? I'm sorry. This is how I view things sometimes. It's fun. That if I don't know, it's fun to me. Okay. Okay. We need to take this out. Let's see where our target was 4400, right? So let's take this out. मैगी के एक पैकेट कम हो गया। So 4675, 4400. What are the deltas on this one right now? It's fairly balanced. Break evens are fairly fine. Open interest wise, we are looking at. Let's take a look at Gen expiry as well. I want to just see. Ready support here, resistance a major here. This is only I think 10,000. Huh? Wow, they're also showing the profit and loss. Kind of nice. Let's just take a look at this one. Okay, this is reframed, huh? The resistance has shifted this way, so this is a little bearish. Okay, and this one is okay. And overall picture में ये सिर्फ 10,000 आता है. This is irrelevant actually compared to this one. So there's no actual support, but there's a plenty of resistance over here. So this has always been the case with this right now. I want to take this off because there's no point. Just take profits where you can. So I want to buy for as low as possible. So I'm going to start here. 4.25, 4.35. So this is weird. I might lose a little bit of money on this one. Slippage में जाए. अरे बच गया. चलो. अरे nice. This was good, huh? This was better than expected. So we got a profit of Nestle. 46.50. Nice. Plenty of Maggie packets. पॉलिसी बाजार. और ये भी हो गया टारगेट रीच ना पॉलिसी बाजार. So this was it. It's 594 is my targets. This has gone way above, better than that. So let's take this off as well. Let's see for slippage and stuff. 6.2 is थोड़ा बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. 9.8. Let's start from 9.7. यार मैं पहले पुट निकाल लूँ. कॉल जा रहा है ना, वो भी दिक्कत करेगा यार. चलो ये हो गया, ये भी हो जाएगा. Good. Nice. This was good. Now check SPI. This one has not reached, or has it? I don't know. Because my adjustment से पहले profit target 3525 था ना. ये तो बचा है अभी थोड़ा सा. 4400 ये भी बचा हुआ है. टाटा कंज्यूमर 4854. हाँ थोड़ा सा बचा है. तो we'll just let these positions simmer. And then let's yeah, I think this is it for today. Huh? We booked like what is 11,000 something. मतलब ये ना तो 10,985 book हो गया है. And let's see what is left. We have this much P&L going on. This is overall the situation at the moment, right? And we booked profit in booked profit in two of them. So this is kind of nice, right? We booked profit in two of them, and the rest are going fine. I like where the things are headed. HDFC Life, I want to check once. 6407, huh? So this has also reached. ठीक है, तो what I'm going to do is I'm actually gonna come back to this in the afternoon. I think अभी slippage में मेरा जाएगा पैसा, क्योंकि ये 3 है, ये 3.10 है, 4.55 है. चलो सही है वैसे. Let it simmer just a little bit. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा और हो जाए. ठीक है, तब तक मैं go my intraday thing which I don't really share with you guys because it's stupid. It's not a logical trade. It's a very stupid thing that I do. ठीक है, तो लो फिर that's it up for now. I'll just share it if I do anything. ठीक है, this is overall where we are standing for today. Cool. Bye.